And it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and the Griswolds are going to attempt to go to shoot guns today at the gun range. So along with Shady Griswold today is Jaybird Griswold. Say hi, Jaybird.
Hi.
And as a special treat today, we have Buddy Griswold with us. Say hi, Buddy.
Hi.
Well, friends, we finally made it to the gun range, and we're going down the road here. And it's been, I'm getting a lot of flack from Buddy Griswold and Jaybird Griswold about my driving. And I can't help but run on a bumpy road. So here we are, and we're turning, we're getting ready to turn. Here we are, and we're turning. Sorry. And, ooh, look, see the nice water there? Here we come, we're coming up. It looks like it's open. So there's the name of the shooting place right there. Okay. Next time I'll come by myself, because I'm having a lot of backseat driving from the other two Griswolds. But here we are. Friends, we're here at the gun range, and there's Jaybird Griswold right there. There's Buddy Griswold, and we've just set some targets up to shoot our rifles, if you can see it down there. And Jaybird over there has her silhouette of a man hung up, and she's going to be shooting a pistol. Okay, we're here. We're getting ready to shoot. There's Buddy Griswold aiming up at his target. Here's Shady Griswold with his gun getting ready to aim up at his target down there. And here is Jaybird Griswold getting ready to load her pistol to shoot at her target. She must have a lot of aggravation to get out, because she's the only one that got the silhouette of a man. So she's going to do some damage today. So here we go. Okay, there is Buddy Griswold shooting at his target. And right now we're trying to shoot our guns to see how we're doing. Go here to see how Jaybird Griswold is doing.
Is it okay?
She's already put a few rounds through Rob. Okay, so she's loading her gun up again. And here she goes. Jaybird is getting ready to fire, so we're going to watch her and see how she does. Okay. She's shooting pretty good. Yes, she is. She's staying in the center. Doing very good. Okay, she's done this before. Here's Buddy Griswold. He is trying to sight in his rifle. Okay, we're still at the gun range. And I think Jaybird Griswold is done for the day. She ran out of bullets. Do you have a target with you?
I have to dig it out of the
trash. Okay. Jaybird is going to dig her target out of the trash so we can see how she did. Buddy Griswold is still trying to sight in his AR. And he tried to sight mine in. It takes a while to do, but here's Jaybird, how she did. And as you can see, she got shots up there, but most of hers are well within the range. So she's a pretty good shot. So poor Rob. So she did very good. We're filming some more. There is Jaybird Griswold sitting next to Buddy Griswold. And Jaybird is done shooting for the day because she's out of bullets. And Buddy Griswold is, well, he's still trying to sight in his scope. It's a brand new scope that he's mounted on his rifle, and it's hard to sight the in. So he's, looks like he's ready to shoot some more here. And it looks like he's getting too sighted in because I can see down the target there are some excuse me, there are some, so he is starting to range it in, and I'm assuming that by the end of the day, he's going to have it ranged in just right.
Oh, you should?
Jaybird and Buddy are still talking,
I like that.
and still trying to sight that thing in. And he's getting better on it.
Tactics! Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Ceasefire!
He's telling us to
Firearms
ceasefire.
down! Actions open!
So we can go down and
Magazines
get our
out!
target.
Safety's on! If you are posting up a target, grab the target in your hand. Everybody step behind the red line, please.
We're now going to get ready to go down and walk to our targets. Here we go.
Back bay, the range is cold. Shooters, you may proceed downrange.
Okay,
Post up
now
targets, take down
proceeding
targets,
down to
lose
our targets.
Lose targets. Everyone else must remain behind the red line.
And I did a little bit better with the pistol, as you can see. I did get some shots in here with my pistols because I wasn't getting anything with the rifle, and that's because I just was unable to sight that sucker in. Now I'm walking down here with Buddy, and we're going to see how he's doing on his target.
Get yours figured out. I'm getting mine finally.
Yeah, Buddy's finally getting his sighted in. Oh yeah, look at it now. He's really getting it. He's really getting it to get in the pattern. So there he is marking his shots. Very good. Takes a while to sight those in. So you can see that's his. Excuse me, here's mine, which I didn't hit anything. Well, I did hit 3 down here with the rifle. So I still don't have it scoped, but I did get some shots in with my pistols here. There's another with the rifle. So it's just going to take time to get this sucker sighted in so it can be like his, but his is very good. Did you want to use this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use this one. Since I didn't do very good on it, so he's going to put my target on there and shoot through it to line it up even more. So, Buddy's okay. He'll get his sighted in, and one day he'll get old Shady sighted in. So now we're walking back, and Buddy is going to continue shooting, it looks like. And me and Jaybird's ready for some bonbons and tea. We were behind the lines.
Are you? Where are you off? Just
Where am I?
like, are you tending to shoot in a different direction? Oh, that's my problem. I was shooting more up and down. I
That's
think.
because you're jerking.
Yeah, my last round was awful.
So there they are, my pride and joy. They're discussing the strategy here.
I know. That's true.
Attack back! The range is hot! Shooters, you may
go.
proceed to tables. You may commence firing.
Okay. Buddy is still wanting to do his rifle, sighted in some more.
He's getting
Jaybird and
close.
Shady are ready for tea and crumpets. And because we're so much sweat a bee, we just can't have that.
I need a margarita.
He needs a margarita. And Buddy, he's still shooting. Here he goes. And there you hear some other people shooting. That was all out. And there's Buddy shooting. And
Says he's getting close.
he's getting closer.
He's getting close to the
Center.
center. He said, I can shoot someone center mass. I just won't be able to shoot them in the eyeball.
Is a lot of it in the center? Jaybird's having a problem finding the
I can't
target.
move.
It's over this way. Do you see Buddy?
I see Buddy's head.
See to the left of Buddy.
Oh, there it is.
And
Oh, wow.
Okay, I guess we're done. Okay, so we finished the gun range. We're heading back to the house. So, Jaybird Griswold, did you have a good time?
I had a great time, Shady. I
good.
need to work on my aim a bit.
Okay, and Buddy Griswold, how did you do?
Good. Stressful.
Good and stressful. Good stress relief. So we're heading home for now. It was a good day. And we will see you later, friends, with another adventure of the Griswolds. Oh, there's a nice little pond and lake over there. So that's it for now. Bye, everybody. See you later. Bye, friends.